Iris? At this hour? Hey, sis. Is everything okay?
Ada, I'm really sorry to call you so suddenly.
What happened? Are you all right?
Yes, I'm fine. But I have to travel this weekend. An emergency. Can you take care of Ava and Ben?
This weekend? From tomorrow?
Please, Ada. I wouldn't ask if it wasn't important.
Of course. Don't worry. Send them over. We'll manage.
Thank you. You're a lifesaver.
How are the kids? Are they okay?
They're excited. They love staying with you.
Aw, okay. Bring them tomorrow evening. My quiet weekend just got interesting.
Hey, you're back. Long day?
Very long. I'm exhausted.
What happened?
A lot of meetings. And then Iris called.
Is everything okay?
Not really. She has to travel unexpectedly. She asked if I could take care of Ava and Ben this weekend.
Oh, the whole weekend?
Yes, from Saturday evening until Sunday night.
That's a big responsibility.
I know. And honestly, I'm a little nervous.
Why?
Because it's been a while since I looked after them alone. They have so much energy, and I just feel unprepared.
It's normal to feel that way, but you'll be fine.
I hope so.
We can handle it together. You're not alone in this.
Thank you. That actually makes me feel better.
Let's plan something that will keep them engaged and happy.
Like what?
What about the theme park? Kids usually love it.
That could work.
And the International Food Fair is happening this weekend, too.
Right, I heard about it. It might be fun for them. And for us.
Exactly. We can spend a few hours there.
Okay, that sounds manageable.
So, feeling a bit more confident now?
Yeah, a little. Planning things out helps.
Good. We'll make sure they have a nice weekend.
And hopefully we survive it.
We will.
Hi, you made it.
Yeah, sorry for the sudden plan. I really appreciate this.
It's okay. Come in. And Aid.
Hi, Aunt Ada. Hi, Uncle Noah.
Oh, look at you two. You're so cute.
Hey, Iris. Long day?
Their routine is written here. It's simple, but they can be a little fussy, especially during meals.
No problem. We'll manage.
Ava prefers soft food, rice, soup, pasta. Ben likes anything sweet in the morning and anything round at night.
Round?
Yes, he says round food makes him happy.
Like pizza, and muffins, and grapes.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Mia doesn't eat spicy food. Leo takes forever to fall asleep. Both brush their teeth after dinner. They like warm milk at night.
Don't worry.
Thank you. Really. I'll be back tomorrow night.
All right. Let's begin. Okay, today we're having something simple. Vegetable pasta and small chicken meatballs.
Is it spicy?
No, very mild. I made it soft, just the way you like.
Okay. I'll try.
Are the meatballs round?
Yes, very round.
Yummy.
It's nice, but can I have a little more sauce?
Of course.
Auntie Ada, may I have some juice, please?
You've had one already. How about some water instead?
Can I have a little juice after I finish eating?
Yes, that sounds good.
Okay, I'll drink water now.
Everything okay?
I don't really like the peas.
You can leave them on the side. Eat what you like.
Thank you.
I'm done.
Already?
Round food is easy to eat.
My toothpaste is too minty.
Oh, I have a mild one. Let me get it for you.
Can I brush for only 1 minute?
2 minutes. I'll set a timer.
2 minutes feels like 10.
That's because your brain runs fast.
Can we read something before sleeping?
Sure. A short story?
Yes.
Can I choose the book?
Go ahead. Pick one you like.
This one. It's about a brave little robot.
Perfect. Scoot over, both of you. Once upon a time, in a bright metal city, lived a tiny robot named Rocco. Rocco wasn't the fastest or the strongest, but he was the most curious.
I like Rocco.
Me too. He's cute.
All right, story over. Time for something warm.
Okay. Bedtime drink for both of you. Warm chocolate milk.
Thank you, Aunt.
It smells so good. Sip slowly. It's a little hot.
This is nice. It makes me sleepy.
Me too.
Finish your milk, then lie down. It'll help you sleep.
Good night, Aunt.
Good night.
They're finally sleeping.
Yeah, they look so peaceful. I'm also going to sleep. Good night.
Good night.
Good morning. Ava, Ben, time to wake up.
5 more minutes.
I'm still dreaming.
All right, 5 minutes, but only 5. Okay, sweethearts, let's get moving.
I'm awake. Just slow.
Can you carry me?
Okay, buddy, come on.
For breakfast, we have muffins, cereal, jam toast, and some fruit.
Can I have cereal with warm milk?
Of course.
I want a chocolate muffin.
You can have one, and also a little fruit.
Okay, but just a little.
These strawberries are sweet.
I'm glad you like them.
This is good. Can we have the same tomorrow?
We'll see. Depends on your energy levels today.
Chocolate muffin. My favorite. Okay, this small piece.
Let's get ready for theme park.
Okay, kids, ready?
Yes, super ready.
I've been ready since morning.
Wow, it's so big.
Look at that roller coaster.
Okay, stay close. It might be crowded.
Hi, could we get 4 entry tickets, please? Sure. 2 adults, 2 kids? Yes, that's right.
Stand here. Don't wander.
Here you go. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Let's go on the spinning cups.
No, I want the mini train ride.
One at a time. Let's decide together.
Okay, how about this? Mini train first, then spinning cups.
Yes.
Fine, but I go first on the cups.
This is so cute and amazing.
Look, it's moving.
They're having the time of their life.
Honestly, I kind of want to sit on it too.
Is it possible, Noah? You're too tall.
My straw isn't working.
Let me check.
Thanks. I was getting thirsty.
Aunt, can I have the banana chips?
Take them and share with Ben.
I'm ready.
Not too fast. I don't trust my stomach.
I'll spin it gently.
Ada, this isn't gentle.
It's medium speed.
I'm not made for this ride.
But your face is funny.
Can we try this?
Okay, one attempt each.
So close.
I got it.
Great job.
Can I try again?
Maybe later. Let's save some money for the food fair.
Food fair? I'm in.
There are so many smells.
I'm already hungry.
Let's walk around first. Choose slowly.
And stay close. It's crowded here.
What's that?
Those are dumplings.
Can we try?
Sure. One plate, please.
This is soft.
I like the sauce. Pizza? Can we get a slice?
Okay, what slice to share first?
Only one slice?
Let's taste different things, not just pizza.
Okay, fair.
I want strawberry.
Chocolate.
One scoop each. No more sugar after this.
Deal.
I'm tired, but it was so fun.
My legs don't want to move.
That means you had a great day.
We're almost home, guys. Just a few more minutes.
I can't walk anymore.
Come on, soldier, last 10 steps.
Can we skip shower?
Nice try. Quick shower. Only 2 minutes.
Okay. 2 minutes is fine.
Thank you.
Brush your hair a little. You'll sleep more comfortably.
Okay. Aunt Ada, today was really nice. Thank you.
I'm glad you had fun.
Theme park, food fair, everything was the best.
You two were great today. No complaints, no trouble.
Maybe a tiny bit of trouble.
A tiny bit is okay. Do you want a little warm milk before sleeping?
Yes, half glass, please.
Chocolate milk.
Here's your chocolate milk.
Will you be here when we wake up?
Of course, we're right here.
Okay, good night.
Good night, kids.
Sleep well. What a day!
We survived.
More than survived. It was kind of perfect.
Yeah, tiring, but perfect.
Good night, Noah.
Good night, Ada. Rest well. You earned it.
That must be Iris.
Early morning surprise.
Good morning. I'm so sorry I'm early. I got home really late last night, so I thought I should come now.
It's okay. Come in.
Morning, Iris.
Morning, Noah. Thanks for looking after them.
Mom!
You came early.
Of course. I missed you too.
Aunt Ada, thank you for today. I really enjoyed everything.
Yes, thank you, Aunt Ada. And thank you, Noah.
You both were wonderful guests.
We loved having you here.
Really, thank you both. I know weekends are precious.
They made our weekend fun.
And a little busy, but in a good way.
I owe you one.
You don't owe us anything. Just get some rest.
Bye, Aunt Ada.
Bye, Uncle Noah.
Bye, team. Be good.
Come again soon.
Take care, you two. See you soon.
Well, the house feels suddenly quiet.
Yeah, but kind of nice.
Kind of peaceful.
Tea?
Definitely.